What if I told you that one single gesture on your iPhone unlocks dozens of hidden features? No settings menus, no extra apps. Just tap and hold. Today, I'll show you how long pressing almost anything on your iPhone completely changes how fast, powerful, and smart your iPhone feels. And I believe you'll start using your iPhone differently after this video. Let's start where your iPhone begins, the lock screen. Most people just swipe, but tap and hold, and suddenly your lock screen becomes fully customizable. From here, you can switch between multiple lock screens, customize the wallpaper, change the clock style, font, and color. Add or remove widgets, create a brand new lock screen, or delete ones you don't use anymore. Apple basically turned the lock screen into profiles, and all of that power is hidden behind one long press. If you're not long pressing your lock screen, you're missing half of iOS. Now let's move to the home screen. Instead of tapping icons, just tap and hold an empty space. This puts your iPhone into edit mode where apps start moving, widgets can be added, pages can be rearranged or hidden, apps can be deleted or moved anywhere, and your entire home screen layout becomes flexible. This is how people create minimal setups, focus based screens, or even a completely clean iPhone look. One long press, and your home screen becomes your canvas. Now, this is where things get seriously underrated. When you tap and hold on an app icon, you're not just touching an app, you are opening a shortcut menu. Depending on the app, you can jump straight into specific features, start a new message, take a photo or video instantly, search inside the app, access recent actions, or even open hidden tools. This saves seconds every time, and over a day, that adds up. If an app feels slow, try long pressing it first. Apple often hides the fastest path right there. Control Center looks simple until you tap and hold. Long pressing controls unlocks advanced options like brightness with dark mode, night shift, true tone, volume with audio output selection, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with device lists, music player with full controls, flashlight brightness levels, focus modes with quick customization. Apple basically hid many settings panels inside Control Center, and most users never discover them. If you're only tapping Control Center buttons, you're using it at 30% power. Now let's talk about typing because this is a game changer. When typing text, tap and hold to select words. Get copy, translate, and look up options. Drag selection handles precisely. But here is the secret move. Tap and hold the space bar, your keyboard turns into a trackpad. Now you can move the cursor pixel by pixel, no frustration, no guessing. Once you learn this, you'll never tap randomly inside text again. In Safari, tap and hold changes everything. Long press a link and you can open it in a new tab, open it in the background, add it to reading list, or share it instantly. Long press a tab, duplicate it, close other tabs, or manage all tabs at once. Safari is packed with shortcuts, Apple just doesn't tell you. In the Photos app, a long press unlocks real power. Tap and hold on a photo and you can share it instantly, favorite or hide it, duplicate it, use it as wallpaper. View full photo details like location, camera, and file size. Even albums respond to long press, rename, delete, or manage them fast. It's the difference between viewing photos and managing photos efficiently. In the Files app, long pressing turns your iPhone into a mini computer. You can move files, copy and duplicate, rename, compress, tag, share, or delete files instantly. This is how professionals work with documents without a laptop. Here is the truth. Tap and hold isn't a feature, it is a language. Once you learn it, your iPhone feels faster, smarter, and more powerful. Almost everything you touch, long press first. If this video helped you, hit like, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips that actually matter. And comment below which long press trick surprised you the most. See you in the next one.